Hello, Not Too Shabby friends. This is Teresa on the Not Too Shabby channel with the introduction to the mood board this month. Again, I have used Alicia's September sheet load of cards, and you can download this at her channel. I will have that link down below. But I'm going to show you what products I used, and then I'll link the mood board here after I show you the products, and then show you my cards. So I used the stamp of the month, which is called Fall Forest Friends, and I used it for this sentiment right here, thankful for you. And I used the Fall Forest Friends ephemera. That is the paper pad in the paper pad club that has the matching ephemera. And I used Fall Forest Friends. Now I did, to make the, because this sheet load makes 12 cards, and I did use these three sheets, front and back. And so I did use 12 sheets of paper. So I have 12 more sheets of paper that in this, you know, I could make another set of these cards. And I think these cards turned out beautiful. And then the last thing I want to show you is the pumpkin spice enamel dots. You know, if you're familiar with my videos, you will know that I think the Not Too Shabby sparkling enamel dots are magical because they seem to match lots and lots and lots of different papers. So that's one of my favorite things about Not Too Shabby is those sparkling enamel dots. And so let me show you my cards. I have 12 of them. And so I just, you know, used some of the ephemera, the sparkling enamel dots, and I used different fronts and backs of all the three pieces of pattern paper that I used to come up with a wide variety of cards. So I'm just going to show these to you while I tell you this little story. At church, this lady came up to me, and at church, I have a card ministry at church. I take a box of cards and I put various cards in there for various seasons. I keep the card, I need to glue that one down a little bit better. And I keep the cards, you know, changed out for different seasons and everything. And her husband cleaned the church. So she said, sometimes when I'm up here and we're cleaning, I look to see if you've put new cards. And I was so excited to see that you had restocked the box and put a whole lot of new cards. She says, but I need way more cards than I feel like I can take. And she didn't ask, I offered. She is a real estate agent and she uses thank you cards all the time. So I said, you know what? I said, what about if I bring you a whole set of cards next week? And she said, okay, that would be lovely. I'll take them and I'll use them. And so this set of cards is for me to give to her, for her to use and bless someone with them. And I'll probably take her a few more as well, but I told her I had a lot of fall cards. So I just love how all these turned out. I used the various ephemeras. I used the various colors of enamel dots. And so yes, you can use your sheet load of cards and the mood board that I forgot to mention, that I forgot to show after I showed the enamel dots. So it will have been there. You will have seen it by now. So you can use the mood board and these lovely papers and ephemera and make your entries. And remember, you get 3 entries, and you can enter 3 times. So you could, you know, make this same card, use 3 of them, but, you know, make them a little different. Don't make them identical and then enter it 3 times. But see, I could take 3 cards. Let me find my favorite one. This is my favorite one. I could make 3 cards and enter all 3 of those. I made them all at the same time, and, you know, but yet they're all different. So, we'd love to see your entries, and I just want to thank you so much for watching today, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.